everyone! Welcome to our mindset training, the NDSO, New Distributor Success Orientation. Earning $1 million per month here is possible. The only variable of success is your attitude, which is dictated by your thoughts. If you're seeing negative here, it's not the opportunity, but your mind. So strengthen your mind because nothing can harm you from outside if you are strong inside. And this training is all about strengthening your mind stamina to get you to the top of the ladder. I am excited. Are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes. Welcome to our new distributor success orientation. The group session does not substitute the one-on-one in DSO. Next, our team advocacy. Build your assets and never have to work again. Ang ganda ng natin, advocacy. So here, we're not just working on our job, but working on our asset to work for us. Okay, next. So the best option to build asset is network marketing with the franchising system. So this is the business of the 21st century. So if you don't have millions yet to buy assets like houses or building, we'll build our network, our asset. Okay, next. So our asset here is our network of users and distributors. So why network is an asset? Because this network will give us income. The sales from our network will give us profit, okay, or bonuses. Next. So question, how do you create a strong, solid, and stable network? Because as we know, our asset is our network, so we make sure our network is solid, stable, and strong. So, answer must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. Thus, the formula, network equals system plus people. We have this wrong notion kasi that we are here just to look for people. No, that's just active income. We have to train those 6 to find their 6 also using the system. Okay, so our job description here, there are 2 job descriptions. The first job description is to find your 6 using the system, and second job description is teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 using the system, and that will make your network strong, solid, and stable. Next. Okay, so this is our system. What is the system? So to give you the bird's eye view of the system, so the system is first is Jumpstart. So Jumpstart is the skills. So we have 7 skills here. The first one, prospecting. Second is invitation, presentation, closing, follow-up, game plan interview, and selling out events. And STP, show the plan, is the action. NDSO, new distributor success orientation, is the mindset. And counseling is the mastery. And how do you find people? We will use the PNB finder cycle. It all starts with product order. So no product, no business. Once you have the product, we'll do Jumpstart training. And with the Jumpstart training, after that, we are now ready to do STP or do presentation together with your mentor. We call it 2-on-1. And that's only 5 to 10 times. After 5 to 10 times, you are expected to learn the presentation. And within the 5 to 10 times, you are expected to meet challenges. So we'll have in the SO, New Distributor Success Orientation, the mindset training. After that, we should do follow-up because follow-up is the fortune. As they say, 80% of the sales are product the 5th to 6th follow-up. And after that, if they order product, then you just bring your new sign-up, your prospect to this cycle and you do the cycle until you find your 6. And to sustain in the business, you need vitamins, which is WUTA, R, read books, watch videos, use product, P, talk upline, counseling, A, attend, participate, and promote events. Okay, so now let's start with our NDSO, and we have these NDSO topics, the 4 topics of NDSO. The first one is the belief system. The second one is what do we need to be successful in this business. The third one is the 12 business principles. And the fourth one is the ethics. Okay, so let's start with the belief system. Question, why choose lifestyles of all network marketing companies? Because of our first product, second company, And the third one, because of the industry. Okay, next, let's start with our product first. So our product is, next is phenomenal and unique with emotional appeal. So really, kasi unique, people will look for us, for they cannot buy it at any sari-sari store or mall. And with emotional appeal, we have so much amazing stories here. So we don't need to be a salesman. So mas duplicatable siya kasi kailangan lang natin maging storyteller. Very simple yung business. Chika-chika, cheke-cheke. And next, ano pa? So consumable in 15 to 30 days. You only explain it once and there's reorder after reorder. Ang galing talaga. Ano pa? For all ages. So big yung market. Intra is not just for sick people but to all people, for all ages, even to healthy people. For this is classified as food, high quality food, not a medication or drug but high quality food to supplement our poor diet. So everybody needs it kasi pagkain yan. Then ano pa? With real demand because we definitely will still use the product even without the business. So that's why even we don't have sign up, we're still earning. Why? Bakit? Because we have retail profit. Kasi there's real demand of our product. Next, ano pa? So ito pa, competitively priced 23 products in one product. Kasi it has 23 herbs, yung Intra, yung flagship product natin. And that each herb, you can buy that like herb of aloe vera, bipolen, ginseng. You can buy each herb in a pharmacy. But with Intra, you don't need to buy these 23 herbs. For you can find all of them in Intra. So mas economical siya. Okay, ano pa? Crisis free because health is a basic need. So essential product ang classification ng product natin. Kasi people from all walks of life are willing to buy anything just to bring back good health. Grabe. Ano pa yan? Ano pa? With 30-day money-back guarantee. Ito gustong-gusto ko talaga. This is really important, especially for new sign-ups, for it is giving them confidence. Bakit may confidence? Because this is guaranteeing the satisfaction. Ang bigat nun, guaranteeing the satisfaction of our customers. So, hindi talaga tayo nahihiya mag-share sa product natin. Ano pa? So, ano na? Yun, product yun. Company na tayo. So, anong meron sa company? Proven track record since 1989. Imagine, 30 years, more than 30 years na yung lifestyles. Galing talaga. Who can go wrong in 30 years? Ano pa? Financially solid and debt-free. Paid in manager's check. Adequate product inventories. Ako more than 20 years na ako sa business. Every single month may check talaga. Ang galing. Ano pa? Manufacturer of our own products. So we're not just wholesaler or retailer of our products, but we are the manufacturer. So grabe, tayo talagang manufacturer. So yun, mabigat yun, manufacturer tayo. So yun, ano pa sa company? Ano pa yung sa company is worldwide business in more than 30 countries. It says if your company is present in at least 10 countries, tayo 30 countries, you have a great business since it got approval from different countries with different set of rules. Imagine, no? Ibang-ibang country nang tumitingin dyan na approve talaga. Ano pa? Great compensation package. Ito, grabe talaga to. Above industry standards and we are top MLM company. Okay, so next, what are the tools to help you build your business? So kasi tayo, online business tayo. So meron tayong maraming online tools. So ang first one is my intrasite. Meron na ba kayong my intrasite? So itong my intrasite, this is free personal website. So, hindi ka na kailangan magpagawa ng website kasi meron ng free. This gives you the ability to sell your products and promote your business globally, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, ano pa? Meron pa. So, yun, no? FB page, Facebook page, meron tayo, and YouTube account. This is where you can find the events and training videos. So, online na online. Ano pa? So, ito, personal business center. Find business building reports and training materials. So, napaka-powerful tong PBC. make sure meron ka ng PBC. This is like your accounting system. No? Na-appreciate ko talaga to kasi ako, accountant, ito yung trabaho namin. Pero dito, hindi mo na kailangan magbili ng accounting system. This is your back office support to keep track of your distributors and their purchases and your commission and a lot more. And this is available 24/7 and it's free. Grabe. Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga tools natin? Ito, franchising kit, no? So meron tayong franchising kit, no? Kailangan talaga 'yan kung duplication business. So this is the system in a kit that will help and guide you in building your business. So napaka-importante 'yan, franchising kit. Meron na ba kayong franchising kit? If you don't have that yet, then you should buy it. So dalawang form 'yan. Meron tayong Kindle format from Amazon, or you can buy that in physical form kung hindi ka techie. So just ask your upline for details. So ano pa? Meron tayong Business Owners Pro, no? Very important yung Business Owners Pro kasi itong Business Owners Pro, this is the system that finds your six. The system in a website that will help and guide you in building your business. So kailangan talaga 'yan. Dapat meron ka diyan. Free lang 'yan. So this is where you can find the presentation and training tutorials. Again and again, the formula for a strong network, ano yon? Ano yon? System plus people. No? So, meaning, presentation lang yon for 6 people, and then training those 6 people to find their 6 using the system. So, doon nakafocus yan, yung Business Owners Pro, ang malaking part doon is presentation tutorial and training tutorial. Okay, so again, if you don't have your free account yet of BOP, you are missing the super powerful tool in building your network. So ask your upline about it. Okay, so sa industry na tayo, 'di ba? Tapos na tayo sa product, sa company, so industry na tayo. So we are member of US Direct Selling Association. Bakit importante 'to? Napaka-importante 'to kasi yung network marketing is a social equalizer. Anong ibig sabihin nun? It means you don't need millions to earn millions. Kasi traditionally, you need money to earn money. But here, no, hindi kailangan ganun kalaki na money. But how come if ganun kaganda yung network marketing, there are a lot of people bad-mouthing our industry? The reason for that is there are a lot of illegitimate network marketing companies. So yun lang talaga ang problema. So para sigurado ka, if you want to join this high-paying industry, just make sure you are part of legitimate companies. And how to do that? Very simple. Just look at this logo, no? Direct Selling Association. And we are proud to say we're part of this well-respected association. Yes or yes? Okay, next na tayo. So, question, why network marketing is the perfect business? Bakit daw? So first answer to that is it's perfect because there is an equal opportunity. So equal opportunity yan, no? So as you can see, the corporate pyramid and the ladder of success, yung comparison, as you can see in the corporate pyramid, no? So in corporate, yan, the number of people at the top of the success ladder who gets the highest income is limited. So kung limited lang yan, is not equal opportunity. Available lang yan sa may pera. So or sa may mga may mga educational background talaga na magandang educational background. Pero dito sa lifestyles, this is available to anyone, no, na may dream, willing to work, at saka magpaturo. So, unlimited talaga. So, yun ang ibig sabihin na social equalizer. Kasi kahit sino pwede, no? So, ano pa? In corporate, only the owners have the ability to earn profit. So, in lifestyles, everybody has the ability to earn as much as they want. So, yun, no? So, here we write our own paycheck. Effort determines reward. More effort, more reward. Okay. So next. Okay, why perfect? Because it is a legitimate business. And below are the comparison. Okay, so tingnan nga natin kung ang lifestyles legitimate, no? Kasi meron dito mga parameters kung ano yung illegal tsaka ano yung legitimate. The first one is illegal ka basta pay directly just for recruiting investors. So recruit lang. Pero legitimate ka kung paid only on product sold, earn even without recruiting. So atin, ganun tayo, paid only on product sold. Kahit ilan pa yung sign up mo, kung wala kang product sold, wala ka talagang kita. Either sa personal sale mo or group sales. Ano pa? So ito pa yung parameter, often no product at all without real use or demand. Yun, kung walang product, illegal yan. Legitimate, meron talagang real demand sa product. Tayo, of course, meron talagang real demand sa product. Kaya nga tayo, meron tayong ang sign up natin dito. Dalawa yung sign up. Pwede business builder, pwede ding user. Kasi yun nga, kailangan nila yung product. Kaya nag-sign up sila for the discount of the product for their consumption. So ano pa? So meron pa yan. So illegal pyramid ka, basta upline always makes more money than downline. Legitimate ka kung downline can make more money than upline. Ito kita ko talaga to. Kasi yun, ang downline can outrank upline. Kasi yung upline ko, executive director pa lang. No? Ako, global marketing director. Yung downline ko rin, no, nanalo siya ng first runner-up, highest income earner. Imagine downline ko yon, no? Okay. So next, pyramid has a limited life, usually less than 2 years. Hindi pala nagtatagal yung mga pyramiding. So ang legitimate naman, company has been in a business for a substantial period of time. So tayo, more than 30 years tayo. So, legitimate tayo. Okay? So, why perfect? Is perfect because it's even superior to franchising. So, bakit superior siya than franchising? Ito yung reason. Number 1, no franchise fees. No? Imagine, meron tayong franchising system, pero walang franchising fees. Ang franchising fees lang natin, yung franchise materials na napaka-minimal talaga. Ang galing talaga. So ano pa? We're perfect because there's no capital risk or little capital risk. Para sa akin, there's no risk talaga because this is like a health investment with a business. So, meaning, if you cannot sell it, just take it. Good health is priceless. Ano pa? No territorial limits, no? Imagine, just recently, the company has created new award. Ang tawag sa bagong award, the Business Beyond Borders Award. Because more and more distributors are building their business globally at the comfort of their homes, no? So thanks to our online tools, the world is at our backyard. Ano pa? No contract time limit. Kasi in traditional franchising, contract time limit is at an average of 3 to 5 years. Here, wala. No, wala tayong contract limit. No? As a matter of fact, willable pa nga sa kids natin to. So residual income is really real here. No? Really real here pa. No? Okay, so less overhead. No? Less overhead tayo. So here, overhead is very minimal because this is a home-based business. So the overhead is more of our personality growth. No? Like books and trainings, which para sa akin, we cannot call it as an expense, but an investment. Ano pa? No percentage of revenue paid to franchisor. So here, we don't pay royalties, no? Or anything to lifestyles. Tapos yung lifestyles, siya yung exclusive proprietary formula, yung intra, sa kanila lang talaga yung intra. Pero we're not paying royalties. Instead, it's them who paid us royalties for bringing the products to the customers. Amazing talaga. Ang galing talaga. Okay, so ano pa? Why perfect? Because you are building your passive income. So ito talagang pinakamaganda, building passive income. Kasi sabi dito, network marketing powered by the franchising system. Take note, franchising system, it has to have franchising system. This is the most affordable business model where you can earn passive income. This is the cash flow quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki. So may dalawa tayong income, active income. So man at work yan. Tapos sa right side, passive income is not you is working, but you have assets working for you. So these are the business owners and investors. So they have franchising business or they have money to work for them. So us, if we don't have millions yet for our buildings, for our money, millions in the bank, so we can build assets by building our network. So our assets here, is our network. So we can still build assets. So actually, this is the reason why. Kasi marami talaga nagsasabi why a lot of professionals nag-full-time sila dito. Hindi lang professionals, pati small-scale business owners, kasi because of passive income, Kasi here, kasi kung nag-work ka like employees, we don't wait for 40 years for our passive income, which is our pension. Or in the case of self-employed, waiting tayo sa mga trusted employee to work for us. I don't know kung mangyari yon na meron tayong trusted employee, So kung wala tayong trusted employee, so mahirap talaga magka-passive income. But here, imagine just work for 3 to 5 years for your asset, diba? Exciting ba? Yes. Okay, so question, how do you build your passive income with lifestyles? Paano ba? So ito yung gawin mo, ito yung gawin natin. Grow your network by finding your 6 people working with the system. Again, network equals system plus people. Okay, so how do you do that? Ito yung system, is the system that finds your 6. Again and again. Again, repetition is the mother of all learning. It all starts with you. Then first job description is find your 6 using the system, and your job doesn't stop there. You have to teach each of the 6 to find their 6 also to make it leverage using the system. Okay? So same principle, the 6 becomes 36. Each one just focus their 6 and teaching each of the 6 to find their 6. So 216, 1296, 7776 until it reaches to 9,330. And let's say only 20% kasi hindi naman yan lahat magbe-business talaga. So you'll be left in your network of 1,866. So just ordering 3 B-tickets. Imagine, 3 B-tickets lang. Consumption mo lang yan. Hindi ka pa nagbebenta dyan. Pero kung ganun ang scenario, magkano yung kita mo? Your royalty bonus, 1,241,556 per month or $30,000 229 per month, month after month yan kasi consumable ang product natin, tsaka part na talaga sa diet nila per month or $30,000 229 per month, month after month yan kasi consumable ang product natin, tsaka part na talaga sa diet nila kasi it's not drug but a good food, high quality food na para maging healthy yung diet natin. Tsaka kung healthy ang diet natin, strong yung immune system. Kung strong immune system natin, of course, healthy tayo. So, less yung mga medications, less yung hospital. Okay? So, next, the goal isn't just about the money. The goal is living the life you want to. So, gusto mo ba yan? Of course, gusto natin yan. Alam mo ba, to most people, success is freedom. For you ba, what is your definition of success? Ako, ito din yung definition ko ng success. Freedom. Freedom yung success. And not only money freedom, but also time freedom. Kasi with lifestyles, the prize is total freedom. Ang galing. So next, so with passive income, yun, With passive income, you can do what you want, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, and as much as you want. Yes, Sabi ko na, this is the true definition of success. Living a life at your own terms. Gusto mo ba yan? Of course, It means no one is making decision for you, but ikaw lang, Because again, you have total freedom. Yes or yes? Okay. So here, next, where can I build passive income? Ang ganda pala yan ng passive income. So you have 3 options. So ano yung 3 options mo to build passive income? Tingnan nga natin kung meron tayong passive income in these 3 options or saan natin makikita yung 3 options para kung saan yung passive income, doon tayo mag-focus kasi sabi ni Harv Eker, if what you're doing right now does not lead you to the creation of your passive income, you will work for the rest of your life. Gusto mo ba yon? Working for the rest of your life forever? Of course not. So let's check kung anong mga options natin. So yan, job, self-employment, and lifestyles business. So ano bang work description sa job? Yan, minimum 8 hours work for 40 years. Self-employment, Superman work. Bakit Superman work yan? Of course, 'di ba? Solo ka. Ikaw lahat. Di ba? If you have sari-sari store, you open it in the morning and close it in the evening, no? Ikaw rin yung cashier, ikaw din yung purchaser, ikaw lahat-lahat. Grabe. Gusto mo ba yan? Of course, no? Hindi talaga. Ano pa, pero sa lifestyle business, yan, coffee-coffee lang, talk to people, in different places, yan, mga training-training lang, ang ganda. Gusto ko yan, yung sa lifestyle business. Number of years work, yun nga sa job, up to 40 years. Imagine, 40 years ka mag-work, tapos hindi ka naman yayaman. Naku po, no? Ayoko niyan. Self-employment naman, you cannot stop because solo ka eh. Your business stops when you stop working, no? Tapos yung lifestyle business, 3 to 5 years. Bakit 3 to 5 years lang? Kasi hindi ka solo. You have network working for you. Ang galing talaga niyan, no? Hindi talaga ako makaget over. Rewards. Ano bang rewards sa job? Liabilities. Naku po, no? Liabilities. Bakit liabilities ang sa job? Kasi, yun, kung employees ka, you're very much qualified to loan. And because kulang yung sweldo, we apply for housing loan and car loan and even salary loan. And most of the time, we can only pay it when we retire. Nako, so yung retirement natin, no, para lang sa ano, para sa loan natin. Gusto mo ba yan? Ganong buhay? Of course, hindi. No? So, sa self-employment, stress. No, stress. Sabi nga, stress, mother of all diseases. Minimal rewards lang kasi competition is high. Pero sa lifestyle business, anong rewards? Unlimited. No? Dream car, dream house, time, and money freedom. Ang ganda talaga. Mag-lifestyles na tayo. I-focus na natin to. Mag-resign na kayo. Isara niyo yung sari-sari store nyo. Dito, you'll end up sa job sick, tired, old, and not much money, dependent on government pension. Paano kung wala na yung government pension? No, sa self-employment naman, business is closed, no? 80% of business are closed in 5 years, no? Nagko-close talaga 'yan kasi 'di ba? Marami tayong nakikita ng mga restaurants, flower shop, internet cafe dati, pero ngayon wala na. Kasi pag hindi talaga franchise yan, tsaka hindi malaki yung capital, million-million na capital, mahirap talaga yan. Kasi ang daming competition. So mag-lifestyles ka na lang, sigurado ka pa. Okay? So yan, no? So yan ang makukuha mo. So yan, so dito sa lifestyle business, makikita mo, makukuha mo time and money freedom. Plus good health, hindi ka lang mayaman, malusog ka pa, at saka meron pang personality growth, no? Total talaga, total being ang na-evolve, ang na-develop. So anong quadrant mo? Ito yung pinaka-importanting question. Which quadrant among the 3 options ang may passive income? Kasi dun tayo sa may passive income. So sa job, wala. Active income. Self-employed, wala. Active income. Lifestyle business, passive income. So mag-lifestyles na tayo because unless meron kang ibang options like ano ka, celebrity ka, no, or anak ka ng mayaman, yun, pwede ka doon. Pero kung wala, dito tayo sa lifestyles. Ito lang yung way natin na mag-passive income tayo. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay. So, why perfect, no? So, yan, no? Ito rin, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme din. Kasi, kala ng iba, they have false belief, kaya nag-quit ka agad. Kala nila, pag sign up nila, walang gagawin, yayaman na sila. Hindi, no? There are 3 stages in network marketing. So, ano ba yung first stage natin? No, yung first stage natin, less than 3 years sa business. So, here, sa first stage, you're still learning the skills and you are still building your network. So, your income is still active, mostly retailing. Sa second stage naman, ano yung second stage? Within 3 to 5 years yon. Your network, starts to grow and you have already repeat orders. So you are starting to enjoy some passive income na. But you still have to work kasi you have to stabilize and structure your organization. Ano yung third stage? So ito yung destination natin. So third stage, this is where the passive income na, the real passive income. And you have already strong, solid, and stable network working for you. So hindi na ikaw yung mag-work kahit natulog ka. No? Yun, may income pa rin. Working or not working, you have already an income. Kahit nga nagbakasyon ka eh. Gusto mo ba yan? Kahit nagbakasyon ka for 6 months, pagbalik mo may income pa rin? Of course, so mag-lifestyles ka na. So this is our destination. So, ang question, paano mag-arrive sa stage 3? Gusto niyang tip, no? The only way to arrive to stage 3, of course, dadaan ka ng stage 1 tsaka stage 2. Dapat may persistency. So work patiently with the system and your network is built and you are financially free. So here, the only way to fail is when you quit. Okay? Yes or yes? Huwag tayong mag-quit ha, kasi building network tayo dito. Okay, so next slide. Ito yung next slide natin. Ano bang sabi ng mga guro dito? No, si Robert Kiyosaki, sabi niya, si Robert Kiyosaki, sino ba siya? Investor, businessman, author, and speaker. He said, network marketing gives people the opportunity with very low risk and very low financial commitment to build their own income-generating asset, very important asset, and acquire great wealth. Sabi din ni Les Brown, sino ba siya? Motivational speaker and author. He said, network marketing industry has produced more millionaires than any other industry in the history of the world. So hindi sinasabi dito employment or self-employment, sinasabi dito network marketing. Mas maraming magmilyonaryo. So malaki yung chance natin maging millionaires. So dito na tayo sa lifestyles. Yes or yes? Okay, so tapos na tayo sa belief system. So the second topic is, what do we need to be successful in this business? The first one is attend, participate, and promote events, trainings. Okay, so what are these events, trainings? But before that, bakit ba kailangan natin ng events, ng trainings? Kasi gasolina natin sa business. So what is the word? Gasoline of our business, our food, our vitamins, para mag-sustain tayo kasi kailangan to talaga 3 to 5 years and for you to sustain it sa business, meron tayong gasolina. So ito yung gasolina natin. So I remember nga one time, no, I had counseling with my mentor. So tiningnan niya yung LOS map or line of sponsorship map. And tinanong niya ako, he asked me, sino ba dito ang wala sa functions? So I told him some names and he said, pakibura dyan, no? Please delete those names and do not spend time with them for they will be gone in the business. So, tama talaga. The functions that you miss are the functions that you need. No? Kasi naalala ko dati, every time galing kami ng RLT, ang mga Grab na masakyan namin, mga taxi masakyan namin, napo-prospect talaga namin kasi very excited kami. Fired up, no? Basta galing ng RLT. So, ano ba tong mga natin? RLT, mga events, trainings natin. So, ang first is HOPE, which is health, opportunity, presentation, and experience. Kasi storytelling business tayo eh. No? The more stories, the more business. So, schedule once a week. So, make sure this is product and business presentation with testimonies. So, make sure no, nandun ka palagi sa HOPE. Second one, ano pa? Mindset training. This is MBA, Mind and Business Awakening, local mindset and leadership training. Rank promotions are recognized on a local level. So this is local mindset training. So ano pa? Startup training. So this is for new sign up. So make sure ha, bago kayo mag-field work, meron kayong startup training. Ano ba tong mga startup training? The first one is Jumpstart, the proper startup. The second one is NDSO, New Distributor Success Orientation. This is the right mindset. 2-on-1 STP. This is what we call the OJT, on the job training. And this includes home meeting. So ano bang mga schedules ng mga Jumpstart? So Jumpstart, ano yan? Within 48 hours from sign up. Ilang hours? Ilang hours? Yes, within 48 hours from sign up. Ano pa? 2-on-1 STP. Kailan tong 2-on-1 STP? Right after Jumpstart. Hindi siya before ha, right after Jumpstart. Okay, and NDSO within 2-on-1 STP. Tapos home meeting within a week from Jumpstart. So, talagang susundin natin yan. Ano pa? Fourth one, RLT, Recognition and Leadership Training. This is the mother of all functions. Must talaga to. must attend talaga itong RLT, no? Scheduled once a month, mga GMD ang magsasalita dito, tsaka recognition on a national level. Ano pa? National Gala, no? Once a year celebration and recognition, paborito sa lahat to, no? It's so fun to be in this event, no? Nag-ano talaga kami dito, look forward, and you will meet a lot of excited and positive people. So, ang sayo, lalaki din yung excitement mo with their excitement kasi they also have big dreams, pareho sa'yo, no? Tapos maraming first time dito, no? First time naka-gown, first time naka-tuxedo, no? Naka-talk sa stage. Yan, no? Ano talaga, napaka-exciting talaga. At saka maraming prizes, maraming pagkain, maraming recognition, and you will gain more confidence at what you can do. Kasi makikita mo dong mga profile doon, no? Kung magsalita sila, parang napaka-humble beginning talaga. And you will say to yourself, if they can do it, I can do it also. So, ang galing talaga, no? And again, this is the event na hindi mo i-miss talaga, no? Kasi there's so much belief and excitement of our future. Okay, so yan ang National Gala. Next is ILC, International Leadership Convention. Ito naman, international. Very exciting also kasi we'll be with the distributors in so many countries. Pag nakikita mo yung maraming flag, nako, nag-goosebumps ka talaga. Ang ganda talaga tingnan, napaka-exciting. No, you will realize how big the company and the business is, no? That indeed, ano talaga yung business natin, global, worldwide, beyond borders talaga. And you're so proud that you're part of it. Ang ganda talaga tong ILC. Okay? So, wag niyong i-miss din yan. The last one is counseling. So, this is our monthly business consultation. So, you have to bring your LOS map, again, line of sponsorship map, and your packet monitor. So, here, there's free mentoring, no? Free consultation, and will not be wasting our time with trial and error kasi meron tayong guide. Okay? So trainings, very important. These are the incubator of our personality growth. So again, remember when you are down in this business, excuse me, it's not the business, it's you. No, hindi naman negative ang business, ang mindset mo lang, negative yung mindset mo, kaya ang nakikita mo may negative, no? So, it only means one thing, kung nag-negative ka na, isa lang yon, ibig sabihin nun, ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Kulang ka sa mga trainings. Yun lang ibig sabihin nun. So, mag-training ka lang, maging positive din yung mindset mo. And I know, pabalik-balik ang mga trainings, but unless you know how to conduct it, you live with it, you practice it, you embody it, that's the only time you can say na master mo na talaga yung mga trainings. So if not yet, you have to attend all our trainings all over again, over and over again, until you master it. I know this business is not easy, but there's one thing I can tell you, no? And what is that? You will be glad na ginagawa mo to because it's all worth it. Okay? Yes or yes? Excited ba? Of course, no? So, okay, what do we need to be successful in this business aside from attending events? Second one is stop the 2 killers of the business. Nako, may killer pala yung business natin. The first one is procrastination. It means to put off doing something what you can do today. That's what we call mañana habit. So if you do something, the best time to do is now. Ngayon talaga, hindi mamaya. Ngayon. Procrastination feeds your fear. The best cure for fear is what? Action. Action lang talaga yan. Pero tayo, maraming may sakit dito, no? Mamaya na. Yung procrastination talaga is the thief of opportunity. This is the stopper of our success. And as they say, success loves speed, no? Kaya yun, no? Yung friend mo naka-sign up na sa iba kasi ang tagal mo, no? Bakit nga? Ang question nga, bakit nag-procrastinate tayo? Dahil sa takot. But you know what? Ano yan? The more we procrastinate, the bigger the fear will become. Kasi ang fear, lalaki lang talaga yan if it only stays in our mind. So anong gagawin natin? We let it out. by taking action. And if that happens, sabi nila, the death of fear is certain. So take action palagi. Okay, so what else? Ano bang pangalawang killer ng business? Excusitis, no? Sabi dito, no excuses, just work. Use your excuse as reason to build this business, no? Kasi lahat naman pwede mong malagyan ng rason, ng excuses. Ganun lang yan, no? Pero ano natin, for example, merong dalawang tao nag-attend sa Hope. Tapos both of them walang pera. So sabi ng isa, yung walang pera, I cannot do this business because I don't have money. Pero sabi namang isa, same sila, walang pera, the more I do this business kasi wala akong pera. So see, same scenario. But yung isa, ginawang reason. Yung isa naman, ginawang excuses. Pero you know what? The more excuses, the less results. So, pag ang results mo sa buhay, hindi maganda, wala ka pang car, wala ka pang bahay, most likely, marami kang excuses sa buhay. So, baguhin mo na yan. No? So, pag sinasabi mo na hindi ko kaya gawin ang business kasi wala kong kakilala, sabihin mo, the more magbe-business ako para dadami yung kakilala ko. Diba? Ganon. Pag sinasabi mo na ma-pride ako, I cannot do this business, but the more nga gagawin mo yung business kasi humbling business to. So yun, no? Para mawala yung excusitis. Okay, so third, what do we need? Build up the 3 requirements to be successful. So alam mo, this business, hindi to para sa lahat. Baka hindi rin para sa iyo to, no? Kasi may requirements to, no? Pero wag kang you do not allow yourself na hindi ka kasali dito kasi this is the most affordable business model where you can be a millionaire because of leverage. So this is not for everyone kasi it has 3 requirements. So we cannot promise you that this is easy. But what we can promise you, it's all worth it. No? Again, this is the social equalizer kasi yun nga, traditionally, kailangan mong mag-millions Meron kang millions to start, to end with millions. Pero dito, we don't need millions. Sorry pabalik-balik ako, pero ang ganda talaga ng concept. No? Kasi meron dito, no, na meron namang millions when they started, pero hindi sila nagsasucceed. Kasi nga, hindi guarantee na may millions ka, successful ka dito. No? Hindi rin ibig sabihin na matagal ka na sa business, kaya ka naging successful. Kasi marami naman dito na nauna pa sa akin. But hindi sila successful. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na marami kang kakilala, kaya ka nagsasucceed. Kasi yun nga, marami naman dito, marami silang friends, pero hindi rin sila successful. Kasi ang kailangan dito, 3 lang talaga. Ano yan, no? Dreams. Yan, kailangan natin ng dreams, no? So labanan lang talaga ng pangarap to, no? Again, this is not easy, but if this is the passport to your dream house, dream income, dream travel, of course, this is worth it. So this is the reasons, yung dreams natin, the reasons why we build this business. If we know our why, the how doesn't matter anymore. So ano pa? Ano yung second requirement, no? So yan, work. Kailangan natin mag-work. So take action palagi, no? No procrastination. Work smartly, work with the system. So work plus right opportunity is the surefire formula to succeed. So work first, complain later. Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa? Teachability. Learn to unlearn and become a student. So paturo lang. No, empty your cup, learn to unlearn. Kasi this is not about what you do, but what you duplicate. So meron tayong sundan, meron tayong guide, and you cannot follow if you are teachable. So yan, kailangan mo yang 3 requirements to be successful. Okay, so pang-apat na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa pang-apat? So what do we need to be successful? Number 4, help in 3 areas of growth. No? So, dito focus on helping lang talaga. You can never go wrong helping people. It's a helping people business. So, this is not about convincing, but notifying them that you have solutions to their problems, no? And how to do that? Just follow our script, no? So parang ano lang to, it's like having a restaurant business. Of course, kung may restaurant business ka, you will notify your friends that you have just opened a business. And if they will not come, okay lang sa'yo. You don't feel bad about it. So pareho lang dito, same here. You tell your friends about your business that you can provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. Kasi this is our lifestyle's mission. So that solution can be in health, wealth, and personality growth. Yan, tatlo yan, no? Health. Health is be an ambassador of good health by educating people about body pollution. So wealth naman, help other people get what they want so that we can have everything in life we want. That's win-win philosophy. The third one, personality growth. Teach other person to become better and you become better. Ang maganda dito, as we help more, we become more healthy, wealthy, happy, pretty. Gusto niyo ba yan? Of course. Ano pa? What do we need to be successful in this business? Embrace the two dynamics of this business. Ano ba yung two dynamics ng business? No, number one, expectations. Alam mo, may tanong ako sa'yo, bakit yung iba slow ang momentum? Bakit? Bakit wala ka pang check? Bakit wala ka pang sign-ups? Ang gagawin mo, check your expectations. Kasi may question ako. If I will give you 1,000 keys and one of those keys can open a door na maraming pera, 1 million per month, do you think you are willing to try all the 1,000 keys para mabuksan mo yung tamang key para sa tamang door? Of course. Pero how come we're not willing to talk to 1,000 people to get your momentum? Bakit? Why are we hesitant to attend meetings? Yung 4 hours na RLT meeting, sakripisyo talaga para sa'yo. Pero bakit ang 3 jobs hindi sakripisyo? Kasi your expectation is small. Baka try lang yung sa'yo. Kasi sabi mo, I'm not sure kasi if I can earn 1 million per month here. But just imagine, if you're earning 1 million per month, which is, yan, true yan sa'yo. Yung opportunity na to, we can be earning 1 million per month. Marami na dito nag-earn ng 1 million per month. Yung ginagawa mo ba ngayon, may nagsabi ba na mag-earn ka ng 1 million per month dyan? Pag wala, naku po, tingnan mo tong opportunity na to. Dapat malaki yung mga expectation mo dito. No? Imagine kung nag-earn ka ng 1 million per month, what would life looks like? If money and time is no problem, nung gusto mong gawin, ang dami pwedeng gawin pag marami tayong pera. So yan, expectations. Tapos, ang second dynamic, kung malaki yung expectation mo, yung momentum mo faster, yung momentum mo. Kasi momentum is the speed of your business. So hit your daily target or talk to 3 to 5 people a day in your first 90 days to build your momentum. So yan, kung malaki yung expectations mo, the faster the momentum. If expectation is small, momentum is slow. But if the expectation is big, momentum is fast. Okay, number 6 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 6? What do we need to be successful? Okay, let us complete the 3 pillars of success. Ano ba tong 3 pillars of success? For us to build a strong business, a strong network. So ito yung 3 pillars. The first pillar is what? What is the first pillar? The first pillar is the company. So check na to. Kasi given na to. Di mo na kailangan hanapin to. When you sign up with Lifestyles, yan, check na yung first pillar. Stable yung company na natin, 30 years na sa business, and we market our products in 30 countries. Second pillar, given din to sa atin, no? Upline, we have the best upline support. We have the franchising system, the best franchising system. So hindi ka na mag-trial and error on how to build your network faster and stronger and in shorter period of time. So check na to. So ano bang hindi check dito? Paki-check nga kung check ba tong number 3. Ano ba yung third pillar natin? Ano? You Yan, check ba yan? So here, the opportunity is real. The only variable of success is attitude. Attitude. And for us to succeed, we need two things. Dalawa lang kailangan para ta mag-succeed. Ano yan? Ano sa tingin nyo? Anong kailangan natin para ta mag-succeed? Number one, kailangan natin right opportunity. Second, right attitudes. Yan, kailangan yan. So, kahit anong sipag mo pa, empleyado, masipag ka, hindi ka rin yayaman kasi you're not in the right opportunity. Tapos, kung nag-lifestyles ka, kahit nasa right opportunity ka, kasi nasa lifestyles ka, pero hindi ka naman masipag, you don't have the right attitude, hindi ka rin mayaman. So here, 50% tala yung gagawin mo kasi given na. No, ang ganda, it's a gift talaga from God na binigyan ka na ng right opportunity kasi ang i-build up mo na lang yung right attitude mo. Tsaka surefire formula na yan for you to be successful. Okay, so paano ba yan? Nasa right opportunity na tayo. How do we get the right attitude of this business? So this is the next part of our topic. But before that, meron tayong exercise muna, no? Kasi napaka-exciting yung next part. Okay, so moderator, can we have our exercise? Okay. So, ano na ba? Ready na ba for the third topic? Napakagandang topic to. How to build our attitude right by these 12 business principles. So, ano ba yung first principle? Ready na tayo sa first principle? So, ito yung first principle natin, business principle. So, number one, my business is 95% attitude and excitement, only 5% technique. So always have the positive and excited attitude. Don't dwell in the negative. Feel good anytime, every time, and all the time. Yes or yes? Okay, so this business is an attitude business. So this is not about educational background. It's not about talents, not about having many friends, nor a lot of money. This is not about how good you are in selling or speaking on stage, but about what? About the right attitude. Kaya yung INTRA, alam mo ba yung INTRA acronym yan? Ano yung meaning ng INTRA? I-N-T-R-A. I need the right attitude, no? So right attitude lang talaga kailangan dito. Ano bang klaseng right attitude yan? Palaging excited and positive attitude, no? Kasi skills are just 5%. Bakit 5% lang yung skills? Kasi as long as you have the right attitude, everything can be learned. No? So, dito nga, we have lot of GMDs and they have different backgrounds kasi hindi kailangan ang background dito. Merong atinista, meron din manicurista, di ba? Meron tricycle driver, meron ding doktora, no? Meron ding nag-start at 23 years old, meron din in their 50s, no? Meron din mga high school graduate, tapos meron ding masteral, no? Yun nga, different background tayo. Pero lahat GMD. Kasi there's only one thing in common. And what is that? They have all excited and positive attitude. So how do we achieve the right attitude? No, yan, ruta. No, it can help you a lot, ruta. So read books, watch videos, positive videos, use product palagi, ma-amaze ka talaga sa product, marami kang stories. If you keep on taking the product, consistent ka pag take ng product, tapos talk upline palagi, be with positive people, and attend functions. Okay, yan ang number 1. So ano yung number 2? Number 2 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 2? So ano yung number 2? So yan, everything I do must be duplicatable. Keep everything simple so it's easy to copy. The business of network marketing is duplication. And duplication is what? Royalty bonus. Yan, no? Duplication business, no? So, meaning everything I do must be in the system. Kasi nobody is bigger than the system, ha? Nobody is bigger than the system. Kasi nobody is a star. The system is the star because the heart of the duplication is the system. Kasi people change but the system is constant. People's emotions, up and down yan, but the system is fixed, no? It cannot change. Walang emotions. So, hindi complicated. So, if the system says 5 to 10 times lang ang 2-in-1 STP, so follow that. Kung nagbibisit ka ng downlines, more than 20, ikaw pa rin yung nag-STP, so you're not duplicatable. Okay, so what else? So, if the system says na you have to read the business plan, but you're explaining it like a doctor, yun, hindi ka rin duplicatable. So, follow the system. No, system talaga. And duplication is unstoppable. Yes or yes? Okay, so number 3. Ready na ba kayo sa number 3? Ano ba yung number 3? I can inspire and teach but cannot motivate my downline. I cannot motivate a person because it needs his, her own willingness. I cannot make people ready. I only work with the willing. So work with the willing lang. Kayo ba? Working with the willing ba kayo? No? Dapat work with the willing lang talaga dito. Work with the ready people. It's not our job to change people. Always remember that. No, you will be wasting your energy if you're trying to change people. No, kasi our energy should be to find ready and motivated people, not changing people. So question, how do we know na ready na yung tao? Yun, aggressive in product order. Meaning kahit wala siyang pera, nangungutang talaga. No? Tapos ano siya, with big list of dreams, with big list of people. Tapos marry the system 100%, no? So yun. Tapos ano naman yung not ready people, no? Yun, maalaman mo na hindi pa siya ready pag sinasabi mo na mag-STP tayo. Anong sagot? Ang sagot, upline, wala akong kakilala, naubos na yung kakilala ko, no? Pag sinasabi mo mag-attend tayo sa Zoom, yun, sagot, mahina signal namin, upline. Yun, hindi pa yun ready. Or you should have products. Ano yung sagot? I don't have money, upline. Yun, hindi pa yun ready. So how do we find motivated people? Paano ba maghanap ng motivated people? By talking to as many people. Yun lang, no? Until we find ready people. The keyword there is until. Pakisulat nga, very important to. Until we find ready people. Never ever change people. That's toxic. If you cannot change yourself nga, how much more changing others, no? Hindi talaga yan pwede. Okay? So, next na tayo. Ano ba yung next natin? No? I own my business. That's number 4. I own my business. So here, I learn the business as quick as I can, how to order product, explain the plan, how to sponsor people. I do not misuse or abuse upline support. I have no business from my upline. My business is from me down the line of my organization. So yan, taking ownership of your business, no? So here, you're a business owner of lifestyles. Business owner ka ha, hindi ka employee, business owner. So meaning, ikaw yung may-ari ng business mo. You are the CEO, no? So if it fails, it's because of you. If it succeeds, it's also because of you. So do not depend with your upline. Consultant lang yan, guide lang siya. No? Wala kang business sa upline mo. So here, you should know the in and out of your business. Kasi business mo yan. No? So how do you take ownership ba of your business? Number 1, of course, you have inventory of products. More products, more business. No? So dapat minimum of 9 boxes of Intra or 11 B-tickets every time. So sino ba dito? May 9 boxes dyan sa bahay nyo or 11 B-tickets ngayon. Ngayon, kung meron ka niyan, yan, business owner ka. Pero kung wala, nako, parang mali yung ano mo, business mo. No, hindi ikaw business owner, employee ka lang diyan or helper ka lang. No, hindi ikaw CEO. So dapat ano din, must know how to sponsor and train people by using our tools like franchising kit and website. No, tapos ano pa? You must be present in all events and promote them also. And also, ano rin, mag-invest ka in training, tools and products, no? Napaka-importante yung tools natin. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, don't be a fool, use the tools, 'di ba? Ang ganda nun, don't be a fool, use the tools. Tama naman 'yan, no? So, how do you take ownership? Dapat you must have a regular planning and goal setting. Nag-goal setting ka ba every beginning of the month sa business mo? Nako, pag hindi ka business owner. So here, business owner ka. So in other words, you must be on top of your business. Okay? Yes or yes? Okay. So next, ano bang next? Ito, importante nito. Number 5, my biggest challenge in this business is my ego and pride. The faster I lose it, the faster my business will grow. So this is a humbling business. The business is simple if I set aside my pride and have a teachable heart. Yan, no? Mga ego natin, tapo na natin to. Kasi this is a business of service. What is the word? Service. Service, no? So this is a mission. Mission to of fighting body pollution. Advocacy to. Advocacy of inspiring people to build their assets and never have to work again. And this is not for ourselves, but for other people. And ego and pride are the opposite of this. Kasi ang definition of ego and pride is ako, ako, ako. I, me, and myself. So question, how do you know ba kung may ego and pride ka pa? Yan, if someone beside you is coughing and hindi ka nag-share ng intra, yun, may ego and pride ka pa. Kasi nahihiya ako. Ako is ego. So, but what about the person coughing? Kawawa naman siya. No? What if this is the solution she's looking for, but you deprive her of that because of your ego? No? Yun. Ano pa example doon? If you're rejected and you're hurt with rejections. So, if this is you, yan, may ego ka pa. No? Kasi naman, nobody is rejected if the intention is to help other people. No? But you only feel rejected if you take things personally. But this business is not about you anymore. But kasi nag-benefit ka na dito tsaka yung family mo. But for them, for other people. So they will be blessed also by this opportunity. Ang sayo lang, pag-notify lang naman. Hindi ka man nag-convince, no? But by asking question lang naman, no? So it has blessed you. So dapat i-share para ma-bless din yung mga tao around you. So example, kung may good testimony ka and you're not willing to share it in big events, no? Bakit? Because they might laugh at me. Ako. So ego thing na naman. But what about other people who will be inspired by your story? So again, this business is all about other people talaga. It's all about service talaga. And if you shift your energy from enriching yourself to serving other people, hindi ka talaga mahirapan sa business na to. Your growth is unstoppable because our mission is to help people live better every day. This is the only way to grow our business. Okay? So number 6 na tayo. Ano ba yung number 6? Ready na ka na ba sa number 6? Okay, activity does not equal productivity. So just align all my efforts to the system to make it productive. It's not enough that I'm busy. The real question is, what am I busy with? So ano bang nabisihan mo? Ano ba yung mga activities mo? Kasi hindi big sabihin na busy ka, malaki yung cheque mo. Dapat nasa tamang lugar, no? So do not confuse activities with money. It does not mean, yun nga sinasabi ko, na marami kang ginagawa na malaki yung cheque mo. Kasi your activities must be productive. Paano maging productive yung activities mo? Dapat naka-align sa, ano sa tingin nyo? Naka-align sa ano? Dapat para maging productive, naka-align sa system. Yes, tama yan, system. So, Ano example of activities which are not productive? Yan. First is downline support with no product. No, nagsusupport ka sa downline pero wala namang product tsaka wala siya sa events. So yun, busy ka sa Katuunwan STP pero wala kang cheque kasi yung downline mo wala sa system. Tapos mag-STP ka without business plan. Siguro nakasell ka pero walang duplication, walang structuring, walang stabilizing or sharing products pero yan utang lahat. Naku po, busy ka pero yun nga hindi ka productive. So may tanong ako sa inyo pala. Ano yung tanong ko? Ready kayo sa tanong ko? Meron akong one big secret. Big secret para kayong maging productive. Ano yon? Ready na ba? Okay. So may big secret ako. Ano yung big secret ko? Ito yung big secret ko talaga. No? Just work with the willing. That's it. No? Not using people tayo dito. But just work with the willing, yung ready na maging yayaman, no? Okay, so never be tempted to work with not ready yet. That will only delay your success because the energy is divided pag hindi pa ready yan. But working with the willing, because if you work with the willing, the energy will multiply. But working with not willing, the energy is divided. So just work with the system and the system works. Be productive, be with the system. Because there's no secret to success, but there is a system to success. Yes or yes? Okay, so number 7 na tayo. Ready ka na ba? Sa number 7, ano ba yung number 7? Nako, FIGO. Gusto ko to. FIGO, meaning forget it and go on. No? So if I meet rejections and other challenges which are given this business, deal with it fast, forget it and go on. Don't take it personally. Don't get stuck. Press forward, shake it off. Our greatest rejection is our greatest direction. Sino na ba dito? No, na nag-FIGO na. No, dapat FIGO lang yan. Kasi if you master this, you will build this business fast. Really fast. So yun, kung downline mo, hindi pa ready, yun, FIGO. Work with the willing. So if yung prospects mo not showing up at Zoom, no, hindi siya nag-show up, no, so yun, FIGO yan. Invite new people. So yung mga tao mo nag-quit, FIGO, no, rebuild your organization. Kasi not using people naman tayo dito, no. If downline is leaving your chat room, nakarelate ba dyan sa mga GC mo, nag-leave, FIGO, add more. Kasi if you cannot FIGO, you are stuck up. And if you are stuck up, there are a lot of right people waiting for you and destined for you. But you haven't met them kasi you are stuck up. So the only way to unstuck yourself is what? Yes, FIGO lang. Kasi if you cannot FIGO, you don't have the excitement. At saka yung excitement na yun, you need that to the next person that you will talk to. No? Kasi yun nga, without the excitement and energy, people will not join you kasi napaka-boring mo. And this is an excitement business. So, FIGO kaagad, ASAP, ASAP. Okay, so yun. Okay, number 8. Number 8 na tayo. Ano bang number 8? Parang FIGO din to. No? Kung sorting to. No? 4 na SW. Ano ba yung 4 na SW? Some will, some want, some waiting. So what? Go next. So ano to? Sorting business to. So find people who are ready, motivated, or core. Yan, no? So ano yan, no? Work with the ready din. So sorting talaga to, sorting business. So this is not a convincing business, no? So wag kang magdebate dito, wag kang mag-argue dito. Nobody can win an argument, but this is all about notifying people that you have a business, that you have solutions, that possible solutions for their problems. So here, not debate again, but simply asking question. And what is the script? No, what is the script? So meron tayong script dyan. Ano yung script natin? Si by the way. Kilala mo pa ba si by the way? So yung question natin, si by the way lang, maraming by the ways, the better, the more people that you can find. By the way, may tanong ako. No? So have you heard about leveraging? Or do you have online business? Ano bang online business mo ngayon? Or ano bang detox program mo ngayon? Yun lang mga tanong natin. So kung engaging yan, excited, so yun, mag-explain ka. So if not interested, marami talaga yan sa market, given na talaga yan, next lang. So, and what you're doing, pag ganun ka, next lang, what you're doing is sorting, not convincing. So, kung pilosopo yan, wag kang mag-debate, no? Next lang. Pero kung excited yan, i-train mo siya. Kung hindi siya believer sa supplements or networking, next lang. Go next. No, pero open-minded siya in building assets, train natin. So do not convince lang talaga. Just sort. And you sort by asking question. Yes or yes. Okay, so number 9 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 9? So napaka-importante nito. No, my upline core is my lifeline. So anong sinasabi dito? My upline core is my coach and mentor. I need to trust my upline. This is a love-hate relationship because of different personalities. And there's no perfect upline or downline, ha? No perfect upline, downline. I do not react but adjust with the perception. The ultimate purpose is to make me successful. Napakaganda kung may upline tayo. No? Huwag mong awayin si upline. Kasi kung may upline ka, may mentor ka. So ano bang role ni upline? Si upline mo, he will train you with the system. So yung mag-jumpstart, mag-endeso, mag-2-on-1, STP, and counseling with you. And you will grow fast. Bakit? Because his skills and wisdom in the business will prevent you from making any same mistakes. Diba? So ano pa? Yung mentor mo, yung upline mo, he can see your weaknesses which you often cannot see. No? As they say nga, we cannot read the label if we are inside the can. So yung mentor natin, nakikita yung faults natin and weaknesses natin na hindi natin nakikita. Kasi pag nakita niya, example, nagpautang ka or nag-babysit ka, sabihin niya na wala ka sa system, hindi ka lalaki dyan. So yan ang trabaho ni upline. So ano pang trabaho ni upline? He stimulate your personal growth. Wow, ang ganda niyan. Kasi with the counseling of your mentor, there will be a lot of learning and growing. So ano pa? Ano pang trabaho ni mentor? So yung mentor mo, number 1 fan mo. Naku, may fan ka na pala dito. Yung mentor mo. No? Kasi cheerer siya for your success. Yung mga cheers niya, palagi ang sinasabi ni upline, yes, you can do it. Laban lang. Go. Kaya mo yan. No? Ang ganda talaga pag may mentor tayo. Ano pang trabaho ni upline? He will discipline you. So if you're not in the system, walang support. No? So wag mong awayin si upline kung hindi ka sinusuportahan. Kasi kung wala ka sa system, kasi kung support tapos wala ka sa system, parang he's giving you wrong signal na okay lang na magawa ka sa business kahit wala ka sa system. So kaya, kung wala ka sa system, hindi siya magsusupport. Ganon, kasi the system is the pathway to success. Okay? So yun. So ang upline downline relationship napaka-complicated talaga niyan. No, mas complicated pa 'yan sa husband and wife, no? So kasi dito may love and hate relationship. Love and hate during the journey. But you know what? You will love him at the end. Bakit? Because you have the same goal with your mentor. Pareho lang kayong goal sa mentor mo. And ano yung goal nyo, no? Ang goal is to grow your business together because your business is also his business. So you need to trust him. So you need to trust your mentor. Yun si mentor, yung upline mo. Okay, number 10. Ano bang number 10? Number 10, ito yung number 10. I cannot lead people if I need people. I'm not desperate of people. As long as I grow my attitude and learn the leadership skill, I will attract all the people that I want. Yun. So, wala talaga, not using people talaga to. No? This is not using people, but helping people. So, hindi tayo needy dito. No? Hindi tayo needy, hindi tayo desperate. No? We don't have that scarcity mindset because I know that if I have the right attitude, the people that I want, I will find. No? As long as I keep my excitement, I will find excited people. And as long as I am a leader, I will find leaders too. And even if people quit, it's okay. For I know that I can still rebuild it because the strength comes from within. So yun, no? You have to build up yourself para the right people will come. Okay. Yes or yes? Number 11 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 11? So number 11, the harder I work, the luckier I get. So there's no luck in this business. If I want to earn more, I work more. If I want to earn less, I work less. Effort determines rewards. So wala palang luck dito. No, luck is spelled as, alam mo ba paano yung spelling ng luck? Ang spelling ng luck is, ano? Ano nga? W-O-R-K. Yan, work. Luck is work. As GMD June Igot said, just work, no excuses. So anong work natin dito? Dalawang job description, pabalik-balik na to. Find your 6 using the system and teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 using the same system. So, if you're not doing that, day in and day out, you don't understand the business. Sure, you have excuses. You have your excuses. That's the easiest thing to do. No excuses. But bottom line, if you're not talking and training to people, yes, you have no business because that is your business. Okay? So, yan, no? Number 12 na tayo. Last 12 business principles, and the 12 business principles, no mercy. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng no mercy? Nobody can stop my business. Definitely not the rejections or my educational background or the storm or the heat of the sun, not even the economic crisis. Whatever blocks my way, I conquer because I am GMD. Whatever it takes. So, sino ba dyan, mga GMD? Sino? Of course, tayong lahat, no? No mercy. GMD tayo lahat. So, dito, meron tayong 3 types of distributor whose mantra is, number 1, mantra nila, I will try. No? Baka pwede, mag-GMD ako. Yung pangalawa, I will try my best. Pangatlo, third type of distributor, yung mantra nila, I will do whatever it takes. Naku, ito yung mag-GGMD. Yung mantra nila, I will do whatever it takes. The no mercy attitude. Kahit walang pera, nangungutang yan. No? From 46 people, si GMD June Igot, para lang magka-business. Kahit wala si upline, nag-ESTP yan. Kahit brand out, tuloy ang training. Kahit nanginginig yan, nag-Zoom speaker. Kahit madaling araw yan, nag-counseling. Diba? No mercy talaga. Kasi here, you stop not because you are tired, but because you are done. Okay? Because, again, we are GMD, whatever it takes. Yes or yes? Okay, so yun ang 12 business principles natin to build up the right attitude. Okay, so ready na ba? Sa ano natin? Tapos na tayo sa ano yung first? Ano yung first? Belief system. Second, what do we need to be successful? Third, 12 business principles. Fourth, yan, ethics na tayo. So, meron tayong ethics dito kasi professional network builder tayo. As a professional, we should follow some ethics. So, ano ba yung first ethics natin? Yung first ethics natin is, yun, no cross-lining. Ano ba to? Yung no cross-lining. Never discuss challenges with cross-line. Only to upline. Meron tayong code dito. No? I-follow natin tong code. Ano yung code natin? Pass negative up and pass positive down. So yung code natin ha, huwag kalimutan. So meaning here, no cross-lining kasi challenges given naman talaga to. Diba? Sa upline lang talaga yan. Kasi if you share it outside your uplines, that's cross-lining. And what do you get if you do that? You are discouraging people to continue the business. Instead of giving them hope, you are killing their excitement. Kawawa naman yon, lalo na bago mga sign up. Example, your income is getting lower. So instead of consulting that to upline, yun, you're sharing it to your cross line or even to down line. So what you're doing is cross-lining. As part of our ethics, please stop doing that. We are here to inspire people. Okay? So that's the first ethic, no cross-lining. The second one is, ano yung second? Edification. Edification. Ano ba tong edification? Say only positive things to everybody. No crab mentality. No, wala tayong crab mentality dito because we are one big family. We are one lifestyles family. So ano ba yung edification? Edification is building the credibility of someone, uplifting everyone, speaking highly of them. So, let us edify upline, downline, crossline, corporate, husband, wife, friends. Let us edify everyone. No? So, ang gagawin natin, so before you have 2-on-1 STP, edify your upline first to your prospect. Not in front of your upline ha, kasi nahihiya minsan si upline pag in-edify mo yan in front of your upline. So, do it before the meeting. Kasi with the proper edification, your prospect will have high regard of your upline. Nabibuild up yung authority. And anything your upline will say, chances are, your prospect will follow. Kaya importante talaga yung edification. So the third ethics, ano ba yung third ethics natin? Yung third ethics natin, counseling transparency. So be truthful to upline during business consultation. So importante yan. No? So dito, kung magka-counsel tayo, just remember HOT, hot. No? Meaning, H, be honest, O, be open, T, be truthful. So meaning, be yourself. No, do not pretend na kaya na okay ka. No, hindi naman pala. So if you're not hot kasi, baka iba yung mabibigay na counseling. Parang it's like going to the doctor and you will say you have stomach ache, headache pala yon. Yun, you get the wrong prescription, no? So when talking to upline, again, remember HOT, hot. Okay, number 4, posture. So build it with voice, no? Kasi global business tayo, build it with voice. Ang laki ng business natin, no? So number 1, build it with voice. No credit, ha? No credit. Cancer to your business yan, yung utang. No utang kasi you look desperate eh. Kung nagpautang ka. Kung magpautang ka, sabihin yan sa mga friends mo tapos pabalik-balik ka sa kanya kasi naniningil ka. Sabihin niya, naku, ayaw kong ganyan, singil-singil pala yung show dyan. No? So, wag kang magpautang. Second is, dress for success. Kasi we are a global business, $1 million business. So, dress like one. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, mahal, kaya lang dapat malinis. No? Tapos, yung sales tools mo, dapat neat. No? Tapos, there's walang tayo dito, unauthorized reproduction and photocopies of our tools, ha? Bawal yan. Nako, napakalaki ng business natin. Tapos tools na minimal lang, hindi mo pa na kaya. So, di pwede yan dito. We should invest in tools, no? Kasi yun nga, business owner tayo dito. Hindi tayo employee, hindi tayo helper. Pero business owner, tayo yung CEO. Tapos yung tools natin dapat updated ha. Yung iba hindi pa mga updated, no? Have big expectations to have fast momentum. Yun talaga yung dynamics dito. Be updated with a new version, have big expectation. Tapos dapat punctual tayo in all meetings kasi we should respect as a professional. Let us respect other people's time because we are all professionals. Okay, ano pa? Text back every messages and return back all calls, no? Importante 'yan. Kasi yun nga, how you do in anything is how you do in everything. So if you are reliable in as simple as texting back, you are also reliable in big things. So if you can be trusted in small things, maka-trust din tayo, no, sa mga big things. Okay? So yan. Ano pa? Do not practice price cutting. Nako, bawal talaga to. Never ever do price cutting, no? Don't put your business in bad karma, no? If you want your business to grow, don't do price cutting kasi ang dami ako for my 20 years na, more than 20 years na ako sa business, lahat na nag-price cutting, wala na talaga, wala silang blessing kasi bad karma yan. Kasi that's doing disservice to fellow distributors. So no to price cutting talaga. And anybody then who is doing it, kahit GMD ka pa, will be penalized and your distributorship will be terminated. Okay, so what else? Build it with poise. Be faithful in all contribution. Kasi itong business na to is a business for yourself, but not all by yourselves. Ang ganda, no? We will be leveraged with other people's effort also. And with teamwork, we will grow more. So let us do our share. Let's stop the scarcity thinking. Okay? Yes or yes? So yan, no? Yon ang mga ethics natin, no cross-lining, edification, counseling, transparency, and build it with poise. Okay? So with posture. So meron din tayo dito, aside from ethics, meron tayong moral agreements. So ano tong moral agreements natin? Okay, so meron tayong dalawang moral agreements. So the first agreement, ano ba yung first agreement natin? So Miss Yu has one-on-one STP with Miss A. Okay. Then, after 5 days, Miss B has also one-on-one STP with Miss A. So, question, based on our ethics, can Miss B ba can sponsor Miss A? Answer, moral agreement number 1 says, not yet. Di pa pwede si Miss B makasponsor Miss A. Bakit? Because the first person, si Miss U, no, siya yung first nag-present, meron siyang 60 days sponsoring period. Beyond 60 days, Miss A is free to sign up to any distributor. So si Miss B maghintay ng 60 days para si Miss U, no? Kay Miss U na 60 days before siya ma-sign up niya si Miss A. Okay? So next, moral agreement number 2. And Miss A sign up under Miss U. So yun, si Miss A nag-sign up under ni Miss U. And Miss A, meron siyang list of people. Say si Madam X. So meron siyang Madam X na list of people. Kaya lang si Miss A, kasi part-time siguro siya, cannot go with Miss U for the 2-on-1 STP ni Madam X. Meron silang STP ni Madam X. No? Kaya lang, lang ang pumunta, si Miss U, nag-STP ni Madam X. And Madam X buy products. Question, whose retail profit is it? Answer, moral agreement number 2 says, of course, doon kay Miss U, the upline. Kasi nga si Miss U, nag-effort din. No, meron siyang coffee doon, nag-coffee siya, meron siyang gasolina. So yun, kay Miss U yun, na retail profit. Tapos product din ni Miss U. What if Madam X will sign up? Who will be her upline? Of course, ang upline niya, si Miss A. No? So Madam X will be under Miss A. Kasi list of people naman talaga yan ni Miss A. Okay? So again, what if, si Miss A cannot support Madam X and instead, si Miss U ang nag-2-on-1 on her behalf? What will happen to the first check? First check lang naman, no? Ang pinag-usapan. Kasi subsequently, lahat kay Miss A na yan. Pero sa first check, initially, kasi si Miss U yung nag-2-on-1 ni Madam X, so si Miss A will only get the fast track bonus. And the wholesale bonus will go to Miss U to cover the related expenses. So again, first check lang yan. The subsequent check, yun, lahat na yun kay Miss A. Okay? So yun ang moral agreements natin. As a professional network builder, we are morally bound to follow our ethics. Okay? So yan, no? Tapos na tayo sa NDSO topics natin. Ito yung summary natin. So the belief system, what do we need to be successful in this business? The 12 business principles and the ethics. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa new distributors orientation. Okay, but before that, yun, ito naman, starring na naman to, si pocket monitor, very important, no? Yun, no? Okay, so ang pocket monitor, kailangan yan. Bakit kailangan si pocket monitor? To build your momentum. Palagi to sa lahat ng training, no? Mother of all repetition. No, I mean repetition is the mother of all learning. Because again, no, if you're not doing the 90-day program, you are not building, you cannot build your momentum. Do not analyze, just do it. Your business will only start to grow when you start filling in your pocket monitor in the next 90 days. Very important momentum, because life after momentum, during the momentum, it's all fun, it's all income, and the life before momentum, all the ugly part are all there before the momentum. So get that momentum fast. Okay, so this is my last slide. If you work on your job, you're making a living. If you work on yourself, you're making a fortune. Sabi yan ni Jim Rohn, author and motivational speaker. Kasi this business, is all about growing ourselves. And as we grow, our business will grow. Kasi alam mo yung personality growth natin, para malaman mo if it's growing or not, ang nag-measure dyan ang ladder of success. No, the upper you are in the ladder of success, the more growth, the more evolution in your personality. Kasi if we're just patient enough or humble enough when we join the business, then building our network, effortless lang to. Yung fieldwork dito, effortless lang. Kung humble na tayo at the very beginning, or patient tayo. Kaya lang, dito, kasi tayo, may ego problem pa tayo. So kaya nga tayo, we are stopped with rejections kasi may ego problem pa tayo, no? And if we're thinking of quitting too soon kasi impatient tayo, no? So yun ang natin, i-grow natin sa self natin, to be more patient, to be more humble, para yun nga sinasabi, effortless yung network, pag-build natin sa network. That's why we should work on ourselves, because if we work on ourselves, we're making a fortune. We are GMD. Yes or yes? Of course, yes. So I'm done. So thank you everyone, and I hope this training will help you bring confidence in your work, in your field work, as you build your network. And together, let's build our assets and never have to work again. Yes or yes? With that, thank you, and God bless us all.